Hi friends, my name is Sandeep and today's my topic is want to succeed or crack the interview. It is a very and important topic for everyone who are working professional, who are fresher. It will help everyone to crack any interview or succeed in interview. So friends, have you ever interviewed? Yes, I have many time and during interview I felt that sometime we have some fear of interview and we we don't overcome from that fear. So friends, today I'm going to discuss a few topics with you that will sure help you to crack a interview and that will help you to succeed in interview. Let's start friends. Please like, share and subscribe this channel and also press bell icon for new and latest videos. So friends, have you ever thought that what type of questions interviewer will ask or what type of question will be there during the interview? So friends, I'll come with the most relevant questions for you and for any civil engineer or working professional. It means by overviewing these questions, you will be successful to getting your job or to be hired in a good company with a surpassing payout or good payout. So let's start. You can see on the screen there are few questions which is basic, initial and all concluded question. First one is introduction or tell me about yourself. It is a very basic and the first question during an interview which interviewer first ask to you. And second one is what are your role and responsibility or tell me about your job description. Third one is why do you want to leave your current organization? It is a very typical and tricky question. And another one is few core questions related to your profession, your job, your experience. And why should we hire you? It is a question that interviewer always ask to know your sense of humor. And what is your salary expectation? And your minimum notice period in current organization. What do you know about our organization? What do you want to Why do you want to join us? So friends, these are the basic questions for any inter who attending interview. It's all concluded question. So it that is that are the most relevant interview questions for engineers. So let's discuss one by one. So friends, first is introduction or tell me about yourself. So first question from interviewer side. So you have to introduce yourself in brief and add your experience along with introduction. That will help you a little bit to become slowly confident. So it's the basic and initial question. So and be prepared for it. Like your not tell your name, your residence, and your graduation and your graduation college and your company name and your experience. If you are a fresher, then don't worry, don't say about your experience. So it is the initial stage of your interview and first question. And your second question is what are your role and responsibility? Tell me about your job description. It's a question related to your job profile, your job responsibility, and your job. So, friends, prepare well and describe it well in a mature manner and arrange it in proper and sequence. So, let's and be confident at that time. So, I'm summar I have summarized few activities. You can add some activity or customize it as I am a civil engineer, site engineer, so on, and my responsibility to execute construction with team, prepare daily progress report and day-to-day monitor activities, planning and scheduling work or activity, inspection of work and provide technical guidelines for work and solving technical issues, maintaining report records, collection of drawings, and maintaining record books and material inward and outward, preparation and making BBS estimation and quantity survey, and free requisition slip for orders, measurement and valuation, bill certification, submission, etc. These are the few work activity you can add in your job description. So prepare it well and be responsible and feel confident. And your next question is why do you want to leave your current organization? So friends, it is a very tricky and it is a depend on your sense of humor, and interviewer want to know your skills and your smartness. So you have to give a mature and very relevant answer to this. As you can see, I'll give you an example. I am at the top of my role and I have handled and captured everything at very well at my current organization at my post. I also want to grow and expand my knowledge with the new organization and new management and want to learn new things by utilizing my all set of skills knowledge with a new organization. It would be a great opportunity for me to work with new organization. So you can customize it or you can prepare it in your manner. Our next question will be from your core or your profession or your job or your side or related to your profession. So it's all depend on interviewer what they will ask you. So we can't guess right now. And our next topic is why should we hire you? It is a very important question that interviewer want to know your thinkability, your presence of mind, and your common sense. So be careful. Your answer should be tricky and mature and up to mark and more relevant. Example: I have read carefully your requirement and your job description for the post, and I concluded that I am the most eligible person for your company for this post, and my qualification, knowledge, and set of skills meet with your post, and I'm sure that I can do my best for your company by occupying this post. So friends, it's all in a few words, so you can add more. And next one is, what is your salary expectation? It is a very common question, and every interviewer always ask. You should be mature. That means without saying any numerical figure, you have to meet your figure by representing yourself, and it is a it is the time when you are selling your skills, knowledge, and experience. So be smart, be careful, and give answer very smart way. So I'll give you example. I'm sure that I shall get best in industry as per my experience, skills, and eligibility, and it will be as per industry and the post for which you hire me. So you can add some more word or lines to making it more powerful. And next one is a minimum notice period in your current organization. So it is depend on your organization, because notice period for different organization are different. So during your recruitment or joining, it is mentioned in your offer letter or joining letter. So tell them clearly, don't hesitate, and be confident. So examples: your organization notice period is 50 days, that or will be 30 days, or will be 3 months. So which is applicable, you can clearly tell them. And next one is, what do you know about your organization? So friends, it is a question that will connect with you with the new organization and new management or new company. So before attending interview, go through the company's website and read all information carefully, and prepare it and arrange it in a manner, well manner. So friends, uh, I'll give you some example. Companies established year, its founder and founder members, her family background, company functions, its products and the scope, and about its management, etc. So collect more relevant information from company side and arrange it in well manner and express in your view, in your way. And the next one is, friends, why do you want to join us? It is also a tricky and most relevant question for your for you. And uh, and also interviewer want to judge your knowledge, skills, and your communication, how you are replying for this question. So friend, your answer should include certain things, how your experience and skills live well and with the company and company position you have applied for. So I'll give you some examples. The company ABC is fast growing and most core competing organization. In past few years, it has become the topmost companies because of its working environment, its environment and unique product and services that meets with the company and customers requirement within specific time. Or you can say it, in past few years a company has been on a strong path of construction at, and the company has come with a innovation in construction, and I want to work with a fast growing organization that is supposed to change the world with its unique product and great satisfaction of customer. So finally, you have to handle very cleverly and carefully to reply for this question, and all information will be true. So be prepared for question. So thanks friends for watching us. Please do subscribe, like and share. See civil engineers talk. So friends, I think I have made with all your requirements, and I have concluded all most relevant question which uh, are interviewer asked to you. So friends, please press the bell icon button for latest update and latest videos. And friend, trust me, if you read it carefully, watch it carefully, that will help you to getting a better job or crack a interview with a good and surpassing salary, and that will make your life better and stressless. So friends, thank you for listening to me, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you friends.